Graph k of x equals the absolute value of negative x and its parent function. Then describe the transformation. The function k is an absolute value function. The parent absolute value function is f of x equals the absolute value of x. Use a table of values to graph the functions. Make a list of a few values of x. For convenience, choose integer values of x. For example, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Next, find the output values for the parent function. Note that the function f of x equals the absolute value of x is written in function notation, where f of x is another name for y. When x equals -2, y equals 2. When x equals -1, y equals 1. When x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y equals 1. When x equals 2, y equals 2. Graph the parent function using the 5 points you found. Next, find the output values for the function k. The function k of x equals the absolute value of negative x is written in function notation, where k of x is another name for y. When x equals -2, y equals 2. When x equals -1, y equals 1. When x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y equals 1. When x equals 2, y equals 2. Use the 5 points you found to graph the function k of x equals the absolute value of negative x. The graph of k is the graph of the parent absolute value function flipped over the y-axis. So, the graph of k is a reflection in the y-axis of the parent absolute value function.